We staan hier op de Sedov en we hebben iemand gevonden die toch wat kan vertellen over dit prachtige schip. Het grootste zeilschip wat gebouwd is in 1921. What is your function here on board?
Okay, my name is Evgeny. I'm a third officer. My function is navigation of this ship.
Can you tell us something about the history of the ship?
Yeah, of course. Our ship was built at 1921 in Germany. First of all, it was a cargo ship. Its first name is Magdalena Wienen, by the name of daughter of the ship's builder. After that, ship was named as Commodore Johnson, and it was a ship for German Navy, for training ship for German Navy. After that, by the repairing of Second Great War, by the reparation, it was given to Soviet Union, and the first function was a training ship for Russian cadets, Navy cadets.
How many cadets can be on this ship?
It's about 100 cadets.
And they are here for what period? How long are they here?
They have a practice for 3 months, maybe less.
You are also going to parades. This time it's the sail in Amsterdam. What is your next destination?
Our next port of destination is Reykjavik, Iceland.
And when are you leaving here tomorrow?
We're leaving from here at 23rd of August.
Thank you very much, and a good sail to Reykjavik.
Thank you very much. Bye.